I make 3 eggs, by the way. Oh.
Give them the strongest start to every day. Use Colgate's Maximum Cavity Protection with fluoride plus arginine for 4 times more strengthening power.
So I recently moved into my first apartment. It's so exciting. Now I need to furnish it. And that can get quite costly. How do I make it work?
With a cheaper from Standard Bank, you can also apply for a revolving loan of up to 300,000 rand.
That's amazing. How do I apply?
Simply apply.
coffee actually. I don't know why. Black coffee. Do you guys know what this is? Have you ever had coffee with this? This will grow your hair, will make your nails strong, your skin glow from within. So I have my coffee with this. It's basically like a body supplement of some sort. Oh, the name. It's called Motherkind Paris. Glow from within. I have it with my tea. You can have it with your water as well. Like it's tasteless. It doesn't taste like anything. And it's also when you put it on water, it's clear. Like it looks like this inside. Looks like milk, but when you pour it on liquid, you won't. So it makes your makes your hair grow, your skin, your nails strong, your energy. Supposed to do. Oh, well, this way is not very important. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go out to run errands. I don't know where to buy a cowboy hat. Like, yeah. I thought my Shein will be here by now, but it's not. So I need to go look for an outfit. I know you guys won't believe me, but I'm trying to cut off sugar. So, pour honey. I know I said I wanted black coffee, but now I added milk on there. I need a cowgirl hat. I need boots. I don't even know where to start. Big my egg is. I really did your company, your smile, your peace mentality. Okay, we'll just play this song. Lord, have have mercy on me. I was blind, but now I see what a king's supposed to be. Baby, I feel free. Come on, go with me. Let's get a long walk after the party has done. Find a spot for us to stop. Conversations, revelation, stimulation, share our situation, temptation, occasion, realization. Where I need to buy myself some dishwashing soap. What's going on? The name of my hairstyle is called Fluffy Kinky. Ta-dum, ta-dum. Want to waste food. I got myself salad, so I'm just Why is so sugar, guys? I make 3 eggs. That's what I make. I don't play by my eggs. Because who came with the rules that you have to eat 2 eggs? I know who came with the rules. I know. It's parents. Because they didn't want eggs to finish. But these are my rules. It's my house. I'll make 3 eggs. Period. But anyways, guys, I don't want you guys to watch me eat. That's awkward. So I'm gonna turn off this live. Watch my scenes while I eat. I really can't eat without watching something. That's another thing about me. Anyways. Oh, it smells so good here. Ooh, shit. What happened to my Netflix corner? Someone please give me a Netflix account. I'm watching Disney now. Literally. Okay. Bye, guys. Bye. I'm gonna see you later on. Maybe I'll do a live when I'm having lunch after my errands. Because I'm gonna meet up with Cece, so probably do a live. I don't know. No, it depends on the mood. Okay. Bye.